All right, mates, welcome back. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Everyone's doing well. Almost a little bit after 9:30 Eastern Standard Time here in the U.S. Hope everyone's had a great week. In case you haven't gotten the latest update, please make sure you send an email to mycryptoballers@gmail.com if you're interested in joining the premium trading group for 2022. That is forming now, okay? All you have to do is simply express your interest. You don't have to pay for anything in the month of December. Obviously, the one Discord, the free Discord will be going away in 2022, mates. Okay, it's a lot of time to run Discords. It's a lot of stuff that's got to get into that. Anybody who ever has any of these channels, everybody who has any of these groups understands that. And so, really, just want to move those people that are really serious about trading crypto in 2022, be on spot or on leverage, to get them consolidated into one group, making sure that people got skin in the game. Okay. So that's what we're doing. And so hope everybody will come on board. If you are not one of those people, but you are in our Discord, I wish you well in 2022. If you're not joining us, I hope you have all the trading success. I hope you have the tools that you've gotten from that free trading Discord over the last 16 months to be able to set you up to be able to do whatever you want to do to turn about what's good for you in your financial picture. For those joining our group, obviously, we've got a lot of things coming in 2022. Right now, we're going to talk about Bitcoin here. I want to do the flip side. I did a video earlier on Bitcoin in terms of comparing September, October, and December. And now we're going to look at it like if you just kind of like pull back and take a macro view of what could transpire in the coming weeks. Okay, this is a very interesting chart here. It's the one-day Bitcoin. Okay, and we know we've got that 53,000 level hovering. Okay, we're at 49,000 right now in Bitcoin. Okay. This hour. The likely move is to take that back to above 50,000 to 50, that 50,000 and 52 zone. Okay. But we're going to talk about 53,000. Why that's important? Well, it's important because you got right here back in September, that part of the shoulder right there. And in the middle of that, we've got the head up here at 68,000. Okay. So we already have that set up. September, okay, November. And now we've been just saying in pattern ever since. Really kind of been a descending pattern right now, right? Okay. What will bring us out of that descending pattern, which tends to be a bearish probability? You can have bullish breakouts out of descending patterns, mates. It's just all probabilities, right? That's why so many people are using the B word right now. And when the B word is, I don't mean Bitcoin, I mean bearish, okay? Because we're in a descending channel. And so that automatically gets people to talk about bearishness, okay? Take a step back, have a little bit of long-term view. The next critical level is really 53,000, above 48, because once you get back above that 48 zone, really 53 comes into play. And so you have here, back here, we know our support area has been 40 to 42. For a while, we had it at 44, okay? But it's the primary support, even on the IO map. If you look at in and out of the money, if you look at active addresses, where more massive accumulation took place, more accumulation or support took place between 40 and 42, 38, 40, 42. Then again between 50 and 52, not up here, okay? You still had some people buying up there, but I mean, for the most part, these people are all still in the money, okay? Above 40,000, right? But if you got in below 40,000, 42,000, you're still in the money. You check all that out in the metrics, okay? But here's the limbering is 53, right? Because that's where you'll get a head and shoulder pattern on the one day. That's a bigger, obviously, time frame, okay, than we normally look at when we look at trade at leverage. We're looking at 4 hour and 6 hour and 8 hour, 12 hour, looking at those candles, right? When we take a step back and you look at the overall one day and then the weekly and then the monthly, okay, those are your macros that you kind of just take a step back. You don't need to look at them every day, okay, but you need to look at them at least once a week, okay? And so we got our support here. So the bears are telling you we're going to come down to here and test this support. Could happen, okay? Don't see it happening, but it could happen. And then we bounce to test 53. And that's where your head and shoulder pattern comes in. And the probability of that head and shoulder pattern is a stark reversal at 53